homework. I'm going to show you from the front, like you're looking in a mirror. When you go from here, your overhand, your hands are tight. But when you go from your overhand to your underhand, what happens is your hands are kind of wide and high. So you want to bring them in low and tight here. And so your homework is to practice this. Imagine your hands are handcuffed and you're going from one side to the other. One side to the other. And then you'll notice, I think we talked about this, but as a reminder, you'll notice I'm not turning all the way like this so that I'm facing to the side. It's more like I'm shifting my weight and doing a little partial turn to get from side to side. So in the past, when we talked about this turn, we talked about, much like with the sweeps, you do the T stance and then you do the T stance. But when you do the chasing the sun, you do the V stance. So your feet are sort of more like this rather than like this and like this. And what you do is you shift from one side to the other, right? So I shift from here to here, to here, to here. And it's a little bit quicker when you're doing the fountain and you're just going from side to side. So that should help you tighten it up a bit.